friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It is my easy crab fried rice, and oh my God, this is so delicious. And guess what? It comes together in 30 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, friends, here are all the ingredients we will be using. No worries, I will have them all listed below, including a yum yum sauce. Okay, so to my pan, I've added some easy O, some onions, some seasoning with salt and pepper. I've added the ends of the green onion, and I've also added in garlic and rice. So now what we're going to do is start this whole frying process. So I'm going to season this with a little bit of garlic butter, and then I'm going to add in some soy. So soy has the salt, you guys, so you might want to be a little limited. I'm also using a little bit of oyster sauce. 3 dried chilies I added in there also. And I'm just going to saute this around. I'm going to season with white pepper, and I'm going to use accent because it's a salt substitute and it's not necessarily adding a whole lot of salt. Plus it adds the umami flavor to it and a little bit of the ground ginger and sesame oil. Next, you add in your peas and carrots and you stir that around. Now you want to let this fry a little bit so that it can get really tasty and delicious. And in the middle of there, you guys, you might want to taste before you add the crab. But anyway, I've added the crab. So I'm adding the crab meat in, and I separated the lump pieces from the smaller little pieces that were more not so lumpy. So now I'm adding in the lump, and I don't want to stir it as much, but I do want to warm it through. So I added it on top. Now I'm going to scramble my eggs. So I'm pushing my rice out of the way, and now I'm adding in a little bit more oil. I've added in 3 eggs, and what I'm going to season that with a little bit of pepper and salt, and I'm sauteing that around because you got to season every layer just to make sure you've got the flavor in there. But be careful with your salt. We don't want you to get sick and have no heart conditions because that's just not cool. Anyway, you guys, so I'm sauteing all this around. If you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now so that YouTube knows your girl is here and will keep me around. And it costs you absolutely nothing, you guys, absolutely nothing. So taste your rice. If it doesn't taste right, add whatever extra flavors you do for your palate and your family, because I believe I added a little bit more soy and a little bit more oyster. So now I'm topping it. You guys, this is done, and this is my garnish. So I'm adding on some green onions. You can do some cilantro as well. You guys, this dish is done. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.